Hey guys, we got this blind from Amazon. So I'm setting it up. It's quite easy. Just gonna show what I did. So first I had to drill the wall with my drill machine. So of course I took the measurement first, and then I drilled this place, drilled that place, and with this one, the balancing tool, I made sure that it is balanced. It's not tilted anyway. You know, a little bit of tilting, that's fine. Just a tiny bit tilting, but it shouldn't tilt too much. So I am gonna make sure that it is tight, just to make sure that it's not gonna come off. So it is tight, it is tight. Yeah, they're pretty good. Now I'm gonna clip it in. So make sure, so the part that has a slot that you can, like a line that you can hold something with, that should go on top. Should pull this down, and this part should be at the front. Now if you notice, there is a clip at the back. That clip will hold it here, and once I put it in, I'm gonna press this, so this will go inside and clip it from inside. So first I am gonna do this and clip this part inside. Just gonna have to hold it tight. Okay, so this part is a little challenging because it's a hard spring, I guess. I have to use a tool. I'm going to use this because I don't want to break my nail or hurt my finger. There you go. So lock that side, and